As you think, see, breathe, and do everything throughout the day, you're using your central nervous system. It is a system of the body that receives and processes all the information from all parts of the body. It consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and neurons. It is arguably the most important system of the body. The brain sends messages through the spinal cord and nerves of the peripheral nervous system to control the movement of the muscles and the function of internal organs. The basic working unit of the nervous system is called a neuron. The human brain contains about 100 billion neurons. Motor neurons transmit messages from the brain to control voluntary movement. Other parts of the nervous system regulate involuntary processes, such as release of hormones like adrenaline, dilatation of the eye in response to light, or regulation of the digestive system, which are involved in the function of the body organs and glands. Epilepsy is a chronic neurological disorder characterized by recurrent unprovoked seizures. There are electrical instabilities in the brain that can range from brief lapses of attention or muscle jerks to severe and prolonged convulsions. About 50 million people worldwide have epilepsy, and nearly 90% of those people live in developing regions, according to the World Health Organization. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimates that 2 million people in the United States have epilepsy, and nearly 140,000 Americans develop the disorder each year. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disease that occurs when a nerve cell in the brain dies and often results in the following: impaired memory, thinking and behavior, confusion, personality and behavior changes, impaired judgment, impaired communication, inability to follow directions, language deterioration, impaired thoughts processes that involve visual and spatial awareness, and emotional empathy. Parkinson's disease is a chronic and progressive movement disorder, meaning that symptoms continue and worsen over time. Nearly 1 million people in the US are living with Parkinson's disease. The cause is unknown, and although there is presently no cure, there are treatment options such as medication and surgery to manage its symptoms. Parkinson involves the malfunction and death of vital nerve cells in the brain, called neurons. Parkinson's primarily affects neurons in the area of the brain called the substantia nigra. Some of these dying neurons produce dopamine, a chemical that sends a message to the part of the brain that controls the movement and coordination. As Parkinson progresses, the amount of dopamine produced in the brain decreases, leaving a person unable to control movement normally. Huntington's disease is a fatal genetic disorder that causes the progressive breakdown of nerve cells in the brain. It deteriorates a person's physical and mental abilities during their prime working of the years and has no cure. Whoa! Is that you?
Do I know you?
I'm your dad.
What?
Your dad.
No.
I'm black, bro. To prevent these diseases and cure them for good, Arturo Gigante and I, two expert neurologists, have created GT51. Drink it and all your problems will go away.